Welcome to Doggy for Life. As dog owners, we're always fascinated by the way our furry friends grow and evolve over the years. Just like humans, dogs experience changes as they age, and this can affect their behavior, health, and even their relationship with you. In today's video, we're going to dive into the different stages of your dog's life and explain how their behavior can change as they get older. Understanding these changes will help you ensure that your dog stays happy and healthy throughout their life. Number 1. Puppy stage, playful and curious. The puppy stage is the first chapter of your dog's life, and it's often the most exciting and lively period. During these first few months, your dog is full of energy, curiosity, and a desire to explore the world. Puppies love to play, chew, and get into trouble as they begin to learn about their environment and develop important social skills. At this stage, puppies are highly impressionable. They are learning from their experiences and need a lot of socialization and training to ensure they grow into well-behaved adult dogs. If your dog is still a puppy, expect to see them testing boundaries and being a little rambunctious. Why it matters? During the puppy stage, it's important to provide plenty of positive reinforcement, regular playtime, and structured training to set them up for a well-adjusted adulthood. Number 2. Adolescent stage, testing boundaries and independence. As your dog moves into the adolescent stage, typically between 6 months to 2 years old, they'll begin to test the boundaries more frequently. This is the teenager phase of their life, and they might start showing more independence and challenging your authority. They'll become more curious, have bursts of energy, and may exhibit some rebellious behavior. You might notice that your dog is now more easily distracted, may ignore commands, or may act out when they don't get what they want. This phase can be challenging for dog owners because dogs are often developing their personalities and testing the rules they've been taught. Why it matters? It's important to stay consistent with training and provide clear boundaries. Positive reinforcement is key during this stage to help your dog develop the right behaviors. Patience and persistence will go a long way in raising a well-behaved dog. Number 3. Adult stage, calm and settled behavior. Once your dog reaches adulthood, usually between 2 to 7 years old, you'll notice a shift in their behavior. Most dogs become calmer, more focused, and more confident at this stage. They are generally more settled and less energetic than their adolescent selves, which can be a welcome relief to many owners. Adult dogs tend to be more reliable when it comes to training and commands. They are usually less hyperactive and are less likely to engage in destructive behavior. However, many adult dogs still need regular exercise and mental stimulation to maintain their health and happiness. Why it matters? During the adult stage, maintaining a routine and ensuring your dog gets the physical and mental stimulation they need is key. While they might be more calm, they still need consistent care to remain balanced. Number 4. Senior stage, slower pace and potential health issues. As your dog ages and enters the senior stage, typically around 7 years old and beyond, depending on breed size, you may start noticing significant changes in their behavior. Senior dogs tend to slow down, and their energy levels might decrease as they get older. They may be less interested in long walks or playing with their toys, preferring to rest more often. You may also notice changes in their sleeping patterns, and they may become more sensitive to temperature changes or noises. Senior dogs are also more prone to health issues such as arthritis, dental problems, or vision and hearing loss, which can affect their behavior and mood. Why it matters? It's important to adapt to your senior dog's changing needs by providing a comfortable, quiet environment and monitoring their health. Regular vet checkups and tailored exercise routines are important to ensure their quality of life remains high. Number 5. Aging dogs may become more attached and seek comfort. As dogs get older, they may become more clingy and seek out more comfort from their owners. Senior dogs might start following you around more often or seek out your lap for cuddles and affection. This behavior is often due to changes in their physical health, such as feeling more vulnerable or experiencing pain from conditions like arthritis. Older dogs might also become more anxious, especially if they're dealing with cognitive dysfunction syndrome, similar to dementia in humans, which can cause confusion and disorientation. They may bark more, appear more restless, or seem unsure of their surroundings. Why it matters? Providing your senior dog with extra comfort and attention is essential during this time. They may need more reassurance and care as they adjust to the physical and mental changes that come with aging. Number 6. Health-related behavioral changes, pain or discomfort. One of the most important things to watch out for as your dog ages is the potential for health-related behavioral changes. When dogs are in pain or discomfort, they may act differently than usual. For example, they may become more irritable, snap at others, or become withdrawn. Behavioral changes like increased restlessness, refusal to eat, or difficulty with house training can also be signs of health issues that need attention. Older dogs are more likely to develop conditions like arthritis, hip dysplasia, or dental problems, all of which can affect their behavior. Cognitive dysfunction syndrome, CDS, which is common in older dogs, can also cause disorientation, forgetfulness, and changes in sleeping patterns. Why it matters? If you notice any sudden or unusual changes in your dog's behavior, it's important to consult your veterinarian to rule out potential health issues. Early intervention can help improve your dog's quality of life as they age. Number 7. Changes in socialization and relationships with other pets. As dogs age, they may also experience changes in how they interact with other pets or people. Senior dogs can sometimes become less tolerant of younger or more energetic animals, and they may prefer more quiet or solitary activities. This can be a result of reduced energy, vision problems, or even cognitive dysfunction. Some older dogs may also become more protective of their space and belongings, especially if they are experiencing discomfort or pain. They may not be as eager to interact with other dogs, especially if they're not familiar with them. Why it matters? To help your senior dog maintain healthy relationships with other pets, be mindful of their body language and health status. Gradually introduce new pets and monitor your dog's interactions to ensure they feel safe and comfortable. Number 8. Coping with loss of mobility and independence. As your dog enters their senior years, you may notice a decline in their mobility. Conditions like arthritis, joint pain, or muscle stiffness can affect their ability to move as freely as they once did. They may not want to go on long walks, jump onto furniture, or climb stairs as easily as before. This can lead to frustration or behavioral changes, as your dog may struggle with their newfound limitations. However, older dogs often become more content with shorter walks, extra resting time, and a little more pampering. Why it matters? Make adjustments to your dog's environment to accommodate their changing mobility needs. Consider using ramps, orthopedic beds, or even joint supplements to help ease their discomfort and improve their overall quality of life. Number 9. Increased sleeping and resting. As your dog ages, you'll likely notice that they sleep more and have longer resting periods. Just like humans, dogs need more rest as they get older to recover from the physical and mental toll of their daily activities. Older dogs may sleep anywhere from 14 to 18 hours a day, depending on their breed, size, and overall health. This is a normal part of aging and is often a result of decreased energy levels, slower metabolism, or the effects of age-related conditions such as arthritis or joint pain. While increased sleep is common, it's essential to ensure that your dog still gets enough mental stimulation and doesn't become overly sedentary. Lack of movement can lead to obesity, muscle atrophy, and a decline in their mental health. Why it matters? Ensure your senior dog has a comfortable, quiet place to sleep and that they continue to get moderate exercise. Gentle, low-impact activities such as short walks or play sessions can help keep them active without straining them. Always check with your vet if you notice a significant increase in sleep or lethargy, as it could be a sign of health issues like heart disease, kidney problems, or depression. Number 10. Changes in appetite and eating habits. As dogs get older, you may notice changes in their eating habits. Some dogs become more finicky with food, while others may eat more or less than they used to. It's not uncommon for senior dogs to lose interest in their food, possibly due to dental issues, a decrease in taste and smell, or digestive problems. Some older dogs may experience weight loss due to reduced muscle mass or health problems, while others may gain weight if they're less active or have a slower metabolism. These shifts in appetite can also be linked to conditions like diabetes, hypothyroidism, or kidney disease. Why it matters? Keep a close eye on your dog's weight and eating habits. Offer easy-to-chew food if they're having trouble with their teeth or gums, and consider switching to a senior-specific diet that's tailored to their nutritional needs. If there's a significant change in appetite, consult your vet to rule out any underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Doggy4Life for more tips on caring for your dog throughout their life stages. Do you have a senior dog? How do you ensure they're happy and healthy in their golden years? Share your tips in the comments below.